Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the label bar chart in Excel. If you see, we have a very simple bar chart over here, but instead of the usual axis which shows HR, sales, finance, we have these labels on top of these individual bars. So it looks more visually appealing. If we go and change the value, for example, in HR, this 29 value we change and we make it 85. So you see this bar automatically updates. So let's see how we can create this chart in Excel. We have our data points over here. Just select your data, go to insert and insert a 100% stacked bar chart. Next you see procurement is on top and HR is at the bottom. So select the axis, do format axis and do categories in reverse order. Next, select any one of your bar and make the gap width to around 105. So your bars become a little more thicker. Just adjust your chart and delete the grid lines and delete the shape, the grid lines. So now what you need to do is first you need to go to insert and insert a text box and insert a text box over here. Select your text box and do equal to and refer it to the first one, which is HR. Just adjust your font and adjust it properly and make it bold. Select Control and drag it down so you get one more text box, and this text box you refer it to sales. Let's quickly do that for all the others also. So we have added text boxes on top of each bars and then referred each text box to the individual label over here. For example, for HR we have referred it to HR. For sales we have referred it to sales and then we have made it bold. Next you can go ahead and delete your axis. Just a minute, just delete the axis. Select your individual bars and do fill and select any color which you want. So I'll keep this as purple, and for this select any other color. So I have selected this green. Now I think we need to adjust this towards the side. So we take it and put it towards the side. We add data labels. We put it in white. We increase it. We bold it. And for this also we add the data labels. We put it in white. We bold it. And we increase the size. Next step is you select the data labels, do format data labels and do inside base. So it goes towards this side. And for this we do inside end. So it goes towards the opposite side. You can enter your chart details. So joiners 2020 versus 2021. We make it black, we bold it, we put our legend on top, we increase the legend and we bold it. So we have our label bar chart ready. This looks more visually appealing than your usual bar chart which has the axis. It's completely dynamic. For example, if this 42 over here I make it as 15, the chart completely updates. So I hope you enjoyed this label bar chart in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.